Hey guys, your boy King Haru Wolf here. This is a video showcasing my Minecraft skin. I know there's a lot going on, but this is just the surface. This is how it looks. But sadly, Minecraft doesn't let me upload my skin. Who knows why? But this is my skin, my actual King Haru Wolf skin. Underneath my arms, I also got stuff like a rabbit, two bees. Also got my ancient sword. I got my summoning staff. And
The bone cuff was designed by Elsa Peretti
yeah
in
guys,
1970.
just a little
Perfect balance.
update to show you how my skin looks. This is my OG skin. Got a little rose right here. Got fingerless gloves that have a knuckle weapon. Got golden bracelets. Got the Ultra Hand and Edward Elric's Automail. Got a skull, shoulder skull. Also got an albino crow, mask, hoodies. Yeah, this is King Haru Wolf. I got a snake also, dog, axolotl crocodile. You know, all that good stuff. But sadly, Minecraft doesn't let me upload it. Who knows why? But I hope I could solve that. It's just a little small video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be catching you in Infinite World of Wonders and Quests. Peace.